This video is all about job role of business development executive. So many articles you can search on internet and find the information, but I'm going to explain the complete scenario in very easy language so that you can understand, and there are some articles with the reference of which all the points will be very clear. Okay, so there are many articles. I will take reference of one. So basically, what is business development executive? Guys, understand one thing: if you are selling any product, okay, any product or any service, let's take example of a salesperson. If I'm a salesperson, I am selling a product like Fruity, okay, Fruity, the Tetra Pack in Nasik city. So if I continue selling the same product in Nasik city, will my business grow? The answer is yes, but not to that extent. Okay, it will not be exponential. But what if I start selling that product in Mumbai or Nagpur or Pune, and slowly I expand in the complete state, that is Maharashtra, and then I go beyond Maharashtra in different states, and then I go beyond the country and then beyond continent. So my business will grow, correct? So business development executive, this person will try to understand the market and check where is the scope of expansion. If I'm a business development executive, I have Fruity as a product and it is sold in all the stores, okay, the general stores, the shops, the kirana shops, and then small pantapris, and there are so many outlets, correct? But my product is not there in malls, okay, it is not sold in malls, it is not sold in offices, or it is not sold in big canteens. There are so many destinations where my complete business can expand. You have to rethink, correct? So I have to find out all those potential opportunities, all the potential destinations where I can expand my business, and just nail it. Approach, try to have a deal, and that's it. Okay, so this is normal job of business development executive, to expand the business, and definitely it involves selling as well. And the job profile will change from from company to company, correct? From organization to organization, whatever you would like to call it. Now let's talk about the job role. Okay, here the job role is mentioned, you can see on the screen. Build contacts with potential clients to create new business opportunities. One and the same what I have said. If my product Fruity is sold in malls, but I want to sell it in 5-star hotels, potential clients relation building is the main thing over here. Now keep prospective client database updated. Yes, you have to keep searching the market, and you have to understand who are the potential buyers, okay, where I can expand my business, and keep updating that record, because there will be many new ventures coming up in your area, new hotels, new outlets, new malls. Make cold calls for new business leads. This function can be carried out by inside sales representative, and that hot lead can be given to the business development executive. But then business development executive is also expected to do the same. Okay, that's why the last video is so important. Do watch that video, the link is in the description, or you will find it in the card. Support in writing new business proposals. You should have mail drafted good attractive offers for the new person or the new client, where you are going to pitch your product or pitch your complete expansion plan, correct? If there is a mall, there are 10 outlets in the mall, okay, so you want your Fruity product to sell in all the 10 outlets, not only 5, correct? So then support in writing the new business proposals. It can be through infographic, it can be through a normal mail or video, it is up to you. Maintain knowledge of all the product and service offering of the company. Yes, you should know your product very well, or the service that you are rendering. Arrange meeting of senior management with prospective clients. Yes, this is very important when the ticket size is huge. For example, you have cracked a deal with a 5-star hotel, but now you are working at executive level, so you don't know how the big games are won, okay, the negotiation and everything. So you can get in the senior people to talk. Then follow company guidelines and procedure for acquisition of customers, submission of tenders, and this is one and the same thing. This job role also has some role, not some role, a major role of CRM. Again, it can be Salesforce, HubSpot, it depends, it changes from company to company, correct? There are some more responsibilities that the person is expected to carry out. Equipping staff with the technical and social skills needed to enhance sales. If you have team members and they are not skilled, definitely this will not come at executive level, a level up But if you are the business executive and you have a small team who are catering to some of the shops in your locality, then definitely training the team is very important. Training in the sense sales training, product knowledge, then motivating them and so on. Okay, reviewing clients feedback and implementing necessary changes. Okay, remaining in tune with trends in consumption to ensure that our offerings remain relevant. Okay, this is something that you can read and understand. If you want to be a business development executive, you have to be there in the field. Okay, it cannot be in the office only, but you have to be there in the field. You have to observe the competitors, you have to observe the market. You should have sound knowledge of your own products and services. Okay, how to negotiating skills should be here, okay, at the top. You will learn, okay, slowly you will learn when you try to have a word with other elements in the market, the supplier, vendor, and customer, and so on. Okay, the person, okay, what is the requirement if you want to be business development executive? If you are in MBA college, this profile is very common. Okay, many recruiters will come for this role. But if you are not in MBA colleges, then you should have relevant experience in sales field. Okay, as a sales executive, normal sales executive, then you can shift to the development side, that is business development. Then good communication skills, this is like base. Okay, this is something that you should have, communication skills, but it will definitely improve with time, with the people you meet, with what you talk, and what is the deal, and so on. There are so many factors. Okay, communication skills, then you should be able to compile complete data in a format, that is a proper report has to be prepared, and that has to be represented, and you should be good with numbers, because there is a lot of data crunching. If you are a person who is selling fruity in not a packet but definitely cartons, then there are schemes, what are the discounts. You should be good at number crunching. Okay, and you should be of outgoing personality, and definitely the sales cannot happen if you are not on the field. You have to understand the market, correct? If you think that sitting in the office I will just nail it, it can be difficult, depends upon what is the product. If it is a service, it can be done from the office, but still you have to meet new people to understand the different potential opportunities. If I talk about the salary range, it can range from 3 lakhs per annum to 6 or 7 lakhs per annum. Okay, this is average salary range. It can go above or it can be less depending upon the product and the organization. Okay, but definitely it is a good post. Okay, very good post. You get to learn a lot of things. You are involved in selling, you are involved in expanding the business. You have to interact with all the departments, the supply, then the department from where you are getting the creatives for the product, and then accounts department and your own team. Okay, so guys, that's it in this video. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, then you can hit the like button. Also subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, and other important links are given in the description box. Okay, and that's it. Let's meet in the next video with some other job role. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay connected and always keep that smile up.